What is up, YouTube? So as you can tell, I got a package right in front of me. If you know that in a couple of videos ago I said I was going to do a thing, well, this is it. Now let's unbox and see what I got. Oh yeah. What do you guys think? Is that too much? Oh shit. So, if you don't know, I am going nitrous on the Camry. This is not for any other car but the Camry. Yeah, I was talking to another fellow YouTuber and fellow 2GR-FE owner. His name is TechSmart. He has his own YouTube channel. He is the guy with the black RAV4 running nitrous all-wheel drive stick shift. He's pretty fast. Recommended 100 shot on the stock block. That's safe. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna go with. Now, so far this is everything. I didn't see nothing else in the box. So let me go. There's actual tags that say what it is and whatnot, a little description. So Monica. So I'll go through all of this and tell you what comes in the kit instead of reading it through my phone, because I feel like that'll be more boring. So this is the X Series 4AN Purge Kit. This is the X Series 4AN Nitrous Wraparound. There's some stuff in there. I don't know what that's for, what it does. Yeah. As you know, there's the bottle. From what I was reading, it's like a 10-pound bottle. I don't know. There's the bottle. I don't know. I don't know what else you want me to say. This is the nitrous outlet 180 degree aluminum. Okay. This X Series Universal EFI single nozzle. Okay. There's, oh, that's the switch. Yep, I don't know what that does, but we'll figure it out. Why is this so nice? X Series Universal EFI single nozzle. That's all it says. What else do we got here? Nitrous outlet X Series pressure. Some stickers. This is the nitrous outlet bottle heater. Nitrous outlet 6AN swivel manifold. Nitrous outlet luminescent nitrous. And last but not least, okay, this right here. It is the Window Max window switch. Nitrous outlet WinMax dual channel. Okay. Ooh. The sticker. Ooh. No instructions and shit. But yeah, man, that's about it. Like I said, I told you guys I was going nitrous. I'm a man of my word. I don't know when this is gonna get installed. I am gonna get someone to install it. From what I was told, it could be anywhere from like around 300, 400 bucks, maybe around that ballpark. It's not gonna be too super expensive. And like I said, I'm not gonna run the kit till I'm like actually tuned by Gustavo and shit. I'm not gonna just send it like that. I'd rather be safer than sorry later. Sweet. It is the next day, or the next night, I guess you could say. And I got another package. This is another big part that's going to keep the nitrous kit safe. I was not gonna record this, but I just figured I should, because this is gonna be a real key component to make this all work in conjunction. I picked up this universal little one gauge pod. Seen videos of how you could custom mold it to your specific vehicle, because I don't need any other gauges. This oil we're about to go with is does everything I'm gonna need it to do. So just need one little gauge pod, and yeah, so boom, that's it. So this is the Innovate Motorsports. This is their PSN1. I believe that's the code, not the code. PSN1. It is an O2 sensor, so wideband gauge, and it's also a power safe nitrous. So what this does, when I spoke to a couple of people, it has a couple functions. So if you lean out, which it's not a good thing, leaning out while you're on nitrous. If you lean out, this system will shut your nitrous off completely. That way, you know, it's as safe as possible as that can be running nitrous. That's my end goal. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to go nitrous, like I told you guys, as safe as possible. I want to, you know, not blow up. Yeah. I'm not trying to throw no 200 shot, but still. I'm guessing this is, I don't know what cable that's for. No, this will plug into the wideband. 8 feet. Oh, cables, more cables. This is, programming pin. Okay. Assuming this might connect to your computer. The gauge itself, the wiring, all common shit. Like I've seen all this fucking gauges. There's different faces and whatnot. I'm gonna keep it black, stealthy as possible. Should just get it out for you guys. That is basically it. Boom. Perfection. And connect it to ground. You do all that good stuff. Power down. Yeah, man, it's relatively simple. And I got a heat gun. But yeah, man, so one of the main reasons why I got this gauge is that I'm able to data log. So I can flip this over. They have their own little software or whatever that I can data log. So which is would be good for me because I'll be able to send all this information to Gustavo so he can make me a custom tune for all motor, and when I'm hitting nitrous, he could make a custom tune just for my car. Not no off the shelf type shit, which is perfect, man. So this is a real big game changer in my situation because I just want to go on in the blind and blow shit up. Now this try to keep it as safe as possible and as get the car as quick as possible within my budget. But yeah, man, that's it. Wanted to show you guys that. Like I said, always like, share, subscribe, helps me out. See you guys.